welcome to the making of my IU concert outfit. Today I'm going to show you how I constructed this whole outfit. So we experiment with some new things in this video, including Hotfix and finding out how to do the special hem on chiffon with the serger. That was quite the adventure. So stay tuned and get ready to see what happens next. Hello! It's day one of working on IU concert outfits. We have less than 3 weeks, I think. Scary. I'm going to start by taping out the little corset bit. Do the corset first, and then we'll have to figure out how to make the dress. The dress is gonna be hard because we got to finish all those edges. Okay, let's go. It's huge.
It's as tall as you.
Hopefully we have enough fabric. We'll be doing something else. I never think things through.
Whoever said sewing isn't dangerous lied. So as you can tell from the mess on this table, we have been struggling and struggling. Who knew it was so difficult to do a rolled hem on chiffon? Not me. It's supposed to be easy with the serger. You can see we started to get the hang of it a little bit, but it still wasn't quite working. And do you want to know what did it? And last night I was about to pull my hair out because the threads just kept getting all tangled down here. Because I realized this morning, after one tutorial finally said to cheat your fabric in a little bit, that the threads were all just getting tangled in the mechanisms because they didn't have enough fabric to wrap under. So there you go. That's what worked. Ugh. Finished all the layers. I think I probably rethreaded that serger about 10 times trying to get through all that. But I finished, and just don't look too close.
Hello. Did you miss me? Kira so wonderfully figured out the serging of the hem of the chiffon while I was at work today. So now I'm going to start sewing the panels together. So we'll do that, and then after that we'll start on the corset part. Okay, so I'm starting the waistband now.
I'm about to go into the spider den to fetch a lining from our storage as an infestation has moved in.
You want to take video when you go?
Absolutely not. This is not for public consumption. Okay, see you later.
Is it pretty?
Yes, sir. I think it's pretty.
I definitely want to tie some like tentacles and ribbons off of it. Okay, so it's the wrap for night 2. I got the skirt done with this little tie-in to tie it onto my waist, and then I need to steam it out, but it's done. It's pretty. It's pretty, but I really like it.
Good night.
Amen. Hello. We're back in the studio. It's a beautiful Saturday, and today we're going to work on the corset. I never did test fitting in my muslin. Maybe I should. Hello.
Doing a fitting.
We're serging the overlay onto the underlay. And then we'll serge the rest of the lining pieces and then sew it together, I guess. I'm putting mine together. See, we interfaced it, and I put the overlay on, and I serged it so beautifully, and now we're pinning it together. Very carefully, because you know how it goes when I drape stuff and I end up pinning the wrong pieces together.
Because that's never happened before. And we'll check back in when it's done.
We are on to the boning. I don't know if I do boning correctly or not, but this is how I've always done it.
We're going to have a tutorial channel.
Nope. We're a get it done channel. We're doing the lining. We got the bones in.
We're looking more and more haggard as the evening wears on. We are cruising.
Hopefully not for a bruising. Hello. So today we are starting out. Got a little bit of a late start. Kind of tired today. It was storming all night and I got kept up by the lightning. So today we're continuing on the corset and we're going to put the eyelets in. And then after that, I don't know, we'll probably start on the shorts. Next step is putting the eyelets. So let's go. Gotcha. And we're starting on the shorts. Got the pattern cut out. We're gonna do we're not gonna line the whole thing like they suggested.
We We have shorts.
Just something.
Oh, we don't like them?
I don't know yet. Still trying to get them on.
Okay, shorts are all done. It'll be perfect for under the skirt.
Moving on to the top, I found an old pattern in my catalog from years ago that I think will work. It's a little bit of like a fitted like tank top type thing. Luckily it was already cut out in my size, which is amazing. So we're just starting now to cut out the pieces on the fabric, and then we're gonna sew it together, and then we're gonna add the little ruching chiffon afterwards. And once again, as always, we bought too much fabric. Let's make something else out of it.
It's better off.
We have that, honestly, the velocity, the strongest velocity right now. Basically,
but nature had other plans.
And I was going to finish my bodice tonight.
I was going to sew my tank top. Research it.
Never mind.
Tomorrow. We are the weekend before the concert. Concert is on Thursday. Today is Friday night. We are going to serge our top pieces and maybe sew them together. It's been a busy week with Jimin's album release and work, so we haven't gotten to this yet. But that's the goal. So now I'm just kind of putting per your suggestion too, I'm putting a piece of muslin up and just kind of draping around the boobies and kind of trying to get an idea of the shape we want to cut out to put in the front. Hers is pretty snug around the boob area, but it's like really ruched in this area. So yeah, so we're just gonna try to get a general shape and then make that and sew it onto the front of that. So. That's what we got so far. I might hand tack it a little bit just to kind of keep them nice little ruffles. Make it pretty. We're gonna do the back now. Oh, welcome back. Yeah, it looks like something.
Making good progress.
Yep. Yay.
Hello. It's me in Serena's video. So Serena's at work, so I'm gonna be her little assistant and make some spirals today. Just start really big and work our way in. Ooh, maybe we start small, work our way out. That would be smarter. This is when drawing spirals in elementary school is gonna serve me. Take that, teachers who said you shouldn't doodle. Wait, do I remember how to draw spirals? Ready for the reveal? I'm pleased with that. You can see all of the fabric pen. So I'm probably going to freehand the rest of these, but you know, if we like clean up the edges and hang that off the skirt, I think that could give the right idea. I am pleased and pleasantly surprised. I'll have to measure the length. I think I got to make it bigger so it can hang from her waist, but sweet. I love when something just works out. What you doing? Oh, okay.
I'm cutting the skirt, redoing the front hem because it was a little weird. I wanted it to be a little more leg. So just slowly trimming away.
Two days till the concert. Let's learn a new skill. So today we are going to do some Hotfix rhinestones, which I've never done before. I read through the whole manual and it looks honestly pretty easy. I like this especially. Intended for use by 12 to 60-year-olds. Tip on. Heat her up. My first stone, let's try it. Counted to 5 seconds. Now what? Did I do it? Okay, can I just say how easy that was? Now I see why people have been talking about Hotfix for so long. I did the base layer, let's move on to the outer layer, and I'm gonna go up a size in stones because why not? Have a little fun.
We have an armband. I didn't know if I would have one or not until the very last second, until it all came together, and I put it on. Yeah, I think it's a little too condensed to put any rhinestones on, but okay, I guess this worked. I'm going to have to hand sew the ends closed, but I think it worked. We'll go on forth and make the other one, and we'll have two. And the armbands are complete, so this wraps up what needed to be done for this concert fit. So it is done. We finished the night 2 nights before, so we got a chance to relax, which was great. Never really happens, but somehow it happened this time. That means that it's time for the reveal!